kugamba nti okusoma tekikyalire bevanga kubanga tebasoma tebayamba era kati abafere basinga bali mu church nosanga omuntu ali ne church naye nga kyakola okunyaga abantu akugamba leeta miliyoni katonda kwa miliyoni bulimba bwere kati abantu baffe bagenda mu church ne batafunamu emirembe waliwo kalungi tebafuniramu wabula babanyagirayo kyemba tukubiriza amachachi okukyusa engeri ebaweerezaamu nja kukuwa ekirabirabwako bafuna ekiseera nga basula nga basaba nofuna bantu bali ku church over 24 hours nga basaba naye bwogenda n'obuuza omuntu omu pulaani yo gindagi talina pulaani naye ate asaba saawa 24 singa tufuna essaawa ezo nga tutuula ne tupulaninga about our future singa ensi eri wala naye kati ekkanisa etuudde abasabiriza kubanga aba basumba era njogera ku basumba kati tibawadde amagezi agamala abaki endiga kati endiga ziri mu kukola ki ziri mu kubonabona kubanga nabo basumba nabo bakozesa emirimu naye ntibamanyi kukozesa ki amaboko gekatonda baki yabawa kyemba nkubiriza kati religious leaders bona okutandika okuyita abantu babawone time yo kupulaninga wakati bw'oba olina pulaani ne bw'oba osaba katonda obeera n'ekirubiriro obeera n'ekyagala katonda koleki akuddemu.
Amannya Thompson Enoka Byamugisha era nze mukulembeze w'amakindye Ssaabagabo olw'abasumba bonna ob'amakanisa bonna agalimu ag'abalokole. Olwaleero tubadde tutongoza oba babadde batikkira omu ku basumba baffe mu kitundu kino eky'amakindye Ssaabagabo era tukkiriza Katonda nti Katonda atuyise kubanga yatwayitibwa naye tubadde tubulako kimu kuyiga naddala abasumba b'amakanisa g'abalokole naye tugolokose mu maanyi okulaba nga tusobola okufuna obuyigirize obutwetaagisa tusobola okukulembera abantu nga tuli bamanyi okusingira ddala obadde osanga nga ekkanisa y'abalokole ng'omusumba agikulembera talinaako wadde kabaluwa n'akamu naye ng'ate abantu basumba mu kitundu ba doctors ba professors bayivu n'osanga ng'oluusi aweebuuka mu ngeri emu oba mu ngeri endala naye kati y'ensonga lwaki tukubiriza abantu bonna okugolokoka okuyiga kubanga abantu Katonda be yatuyitira okusumba bayivu ddala era babeera n'okumanya okutegeera kati bwe tugatta obuyigirize ne tubugatta ku kuyitibwa kwa Katonda tugenda kubeera b'amaanyi nnyo era tugenda kubeera n'obuwanguzi ate tugenda kukola okwagala kwa Katonda.
Emegenda kujja nga gavumenti teganya muntu yenna kulembera kanisa nga tasomye kubanga ekyo kitulagako ate era nga kiri mu nteekateeka zaabwe.
Being the problem of Babylon.
Inaweza kuwa ni ile shida ya Babylon ya kwanza.
When you go to the social media,
wakati tunaenda mu social media,
the first thing that appears
kitu cha kwanza ambacho tunaona
is the corruption in this country.
Ni ufisadi mwa nchi.
The roads in all sectors of the government.
Njia mu sekta zote za government.
The other time they were telling us these billions of shillings was swindled from the Bank of Uganda.
Hiyo wakati walikuwa wanakwambia kwamba pesa nyingi ilipotea
and they are calling them scammers.
Walikuwa wanaita wa scammer.
That these billions of money was scammed.
Ya kwamba ile pesa nyingi
when there is a very big team who have been paid a lot of money.
Na japo kubwa watu wengi ambao wanalipwa sana.
To do oversight.
Ili waweze kulinda pesa.
From the Ministry of Finance.
Kutoka mu Ministry of Finance.
Go down.
Wakati unashuka chini.
The story is the same.
His story iko hivi.
Recently we had a story about the iron sheets.
Juzi tulisikia kuhusu mabati.
Meant to be for the poor.
Ambayo ilikuwa imetayarishiwa watu ambao.
Every day you don't want to watch news
kila wakati ambapo upendi kufuata habari
regarding the civil servants
ambayo inahusu watu
who are thought to have gone through the basic institutions,
ambao tunawaza ya kwamba walifundishwa katika masomo ya
who are believed to have ethical code of conduct.
ambao tunawaza ya kwamba wamefunzwa hata na
We are at a time,
tuko kwa wakati
years ago,
kama sisi
you could entrust a lawyer with your land title.
na kwamba unaweza kumpa lawyer land title yako,
Today, before you separate,
lakini mbele mwanzo kuachana,
a brother will be grading your land.
mtu atakuwa ameanza kutumia ile land yako na ajabu.
Years ago,
Sasa miaka
you could entrust a doctor with your beautiful wife.
ulikuwa unaweza kusimamisha mke yako mbele ya daktari ili aweze kukusaidia.
Today, before you know what is counseling is something else.
Lakini mbele ujue sasa hii counseling ni kitu ambacho kimekuwa tofauti.
So you begin to wonder, what is the value of education and training these people go through?
Unaanza kujiuliza, je, nini hao watu walisoma na wao wanafanya vitu kama
You begin to wonder what PhDs they got,
unaanza kujiuliza PhD ambazo walipata zilikuwa
the masters they have,
masters ambazo wako nazo,
because they go through the 3 years.
kwa sababu walifunzwa miaka 3,
Just as Daniel was required over his colleagues.
kama vile Daniel na wenzake walifunzwa.
So we begin to realize
Tunaanza kuona ya kwamba
that what happened at the time of Babylon,
kitu ambacho kilitendeka kwa wakati ya Babylon,
Uganda is at the same verge.
Uganda nayo imekuwa kwa ile ngazi.
Uganda is a Babylon
Uganda imekuwa Babylon
that is looking for young men and women like Daniel.
ambayo tunatafuta watoto wadogo wa
Men and women who are skilled,
wa baba na wa mama ambao
who are
wamekuwa
competent,
ambao wako tayari,
who are trained,
ambao wamefunzwa
but they have God in them.
na wako na Mungu ndani mwao,
They have a God in them.
na wako na Mungu ndani mwao.
And so today we are here to celebrate
Na kwa leo tumekuja kusherehekea
these wonderful men and women
hao watu wa Mungu wazuri
who do not just have education,
ambao hawana tu elimu
but they have God.
lakini wako na Mungu.
Praise the Lord.
Bwana Yesu asifiwe.
This is what the world is lacking.
Nchi ndio chenye dunia inakosa.
Education in itself is not enough.
Elimu ambayo tumekuwa tumepata mambo
Because
haitoshi.
you have a